Discover the world's largest forestry operations in our exciting video. Witness massive timber harvests, cutting-edge machinery, and sustainable practices by industry giants. Join us to explore how these operations shape economies and ecosystems. Don't miss out. Watch now, concede now, and dive into the heart of forestry. The handheld chainsaw is a powerful tool, renowned for its versatility and strength. Equipped with a high-performance engine, it effortlessly cuts through wood, branches, and even small trees with precision. Its sharp, rotating chain delivers rapid cutting action, making it ideal for tasks like pruning, felling, and firewood preparation. Lightweight yet robust, the chainsaw offers excellent maneuverability, allowing users to tackle challenging angles and tight spaces. Modern designs incorporate safety features like chain brakes and ergonomic grips, enhancing user control. With proper maintenance, the handheld chainsaw is an indispensable asset for landscapers, farmers, and homeowners, delivering unmatched efficiency and power. Heavy-duty logging trucks are engineering marvels, designed for immense power and durability. Powered by robust diesel engines, these trucks can haul tons of timber across rugged terrains with ease. Their reinforced chassis and high-torque transmissions ensure stability and traction, even on steep slopes or muddy paths. Equipped with advanced hydraulic systems, they efficiently load and unload massive logs. With large, durable tires and heavy-duty suspensions, logging trucks withstand harsh conditions while maintaining reliability. These vehicles are vital for the timber industry, combining raw strength with precision to transport wood swiftly and safely, making them indispensable for large-scale forestry operations. Stump grinders are powerful machines designed to obliterate tree stumps with ease. Equipped with high-speed, carbide-tipped cutting wheels, they shred tough roots and wood into mulch. Their robust engines deliver immense torque, tackling even the largest stumps. Compact yet mighty, stump grinders ensure efficient, precise removal in tight spaces. The power of a tree shear, a robust piece of machinery designed for cutting and managing trees, lies in its remarkable strength and efficiency. Equipped with high-powered hydraulic systems, tree shears can effortlessly slice through thick trunks and branches, often up to 12 to 20 inches in diameter, depending on the model. This makes them indispensable in forestry, landscaping, and land clearing operations. Their precision allows operators to target specific trees without damaging surrounding vegetation, enhancing both productivity and environmental care. Modern tree shears, often attached to excavators or skid steers, combine raw power with versatility, enabling them to handle diverse tasks like pruning, felling, or clearing dense brush. The hydraulic jaws exert immense force, ensuring clean cuts in seconds, which significantly reduces manual labor and time. Additionally, their durability, built from high-grade steel, ensures they withstand harsh conditions and prolonged use. For professionals, tree shears represent a blend of technology and brute force, streamlining operations while minimizing costs. Their ability to transform challenging tasks into manageable ones underscores their critical role in modern land management, making them a powerful ally in shaping landscapes efficiently and sustainably. The power of a log splitter, a formidable machine designed for processing firewood, lies in its ability to transform labor-intensive tasks into efficient, time-saving operations. Built with robust hydraulic or kinetic systems, log splitters exert tremendous force, often ranging from 10 to 40 tons, capable of splitting logs of varying sizes and densities with ease. This makes them essential for homeowners, farmers, and commercial operations reliant on firewood for heating or sale. Unlike traditional axe-based methods, which demand significant physical effort and time, a log splitter can process a cord of wood in hours, producing uniform pieces ready for use. Hydraulic splitters, powered by gas, electric, or PTO-driven motors, deliver consistent pressure to cleave even the toughest hardwoods like oak or maple, while kinetic splitters use flywheel technology for faster cycle times, ideal for high-volume tasks. Their versatility shines in models ranging from compact, portable units for residential use to industrial-grade machines capable of handling logs over 24 inches in diameter. Safety features, such as two-hand operation and automatic ram return, enhance user protection, while durable steel construction ensures longevity under demanding conditions. Log splitters also offer environmental benefits by promoting the use of renewable firewood, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. For rural households, they provide self-sufficiency, enabling efficient preparation for winter. In commercial settings, their speed and reliability boost productivity, cutting labor costs and increasing output. Modern designs incorporate user-friendly features like adjustable splitting wedges and log cradles, catering to diverse needs. The sheer force of a log splitter, combined with its precision and adaptability, makes it a game-changer in wood processing. It eliminates the back-breaking effort of manual splitting, allowing users to focus on other tasks while producing consistent results. Whether for personal or professional use, the log splitter stands as a testament to engineering ingenuity, blending raw power with practical innovation. Its ability to handle nature's toughest materials with minimal effort underscores its indispensable role in modern firewood production, making it a powerful ally for anyone working with wood, from small-scale homesteaders to large-scale forestry operations.